We already have the first look review of the new Pixel, which explains much about its design, body, screen, and more with just one leak. We have pretty much all of the details about its processor, most anticipatedly the camera setup, and more. These leaks are confirmed by one of the most trusted news companies, Forbes, which confirms the features of the new Pixel 9 Pro XL coming up next month. Let's start off with this TikTok leak which has gone viral and explains much of the design that we are anticipating. An account called Pixophone received the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL exactly 1 month before. They posted a hands-on video comparing the two models side by side. Additionally, Pixophone placed the Pro XL model next to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, one of the top Android phones currently available. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, the Ultra Premium model, appears glossy, whereas the Pixel 9 Pro has a matte finish. The XL model's camera visor features a periscopic lens and presumably a temperature sensor, while the two other cameras appear identical to those on the Pixel 9 Pro. The button placements are the same on both handsets. As seen in the renders, the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL have a boxy design with squared-off edges and rounded corners. As seen in the video, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, compared right next to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcases how wide Samsung's flagship is compared to the upcoming Pixel handset. The Pixel 9 Pro XL looks a bit smaller when compared to the Ultra, and needless to say, the device takes advantage of the S Pen, leading to its bigger form factor. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to have a display similar in size to the Pixel 8 Pro. One of the standout features of this new model is the inclusion of an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The major change is that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will feature the same 50-megapixel sensor, but the ultra-wide-angle camera is expected to receive a significant upgrade. Additionally, there will be a telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. We'll have to see what level of quality the ultra-wide camera on the Pixel 9 Pro XL provides. The Pixel 9 Pro XL will include a new chipset. Google has been using Samsung's 2400 chipsets, but this time they might try something new. Google's Assistant will use on-device AI, making it very powerful even without an internet connection. On-device AI tools analyze information present on the device itself, something other companies are still working on. Recent leaks have shown that improvements will be made to other technologies in the phone, such as Gorilla Glass Victus 3 and Qi wireless charging. Another design-related point is the presence of 4 cameras. While 3 cameras are common, the function of the 4th camera is yet to be revealed. It might offer 3.5x zoom, but time will tell its exact purpose. The Adapt Touch feature in Google devices is noteworthy. If you are wearing gloves or in an environment where touch is difficult, the phone will automatically adjust the sensitivity to improve the touch experience. Finally, in terms of specifications, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will come with 12 GB of RAM. Surprisingly, the 12 GB variant will have 128 GB of storage, which is unusual as most 12 GB Android phones come with a minimum of 256 GB of storage. As for pricing, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to be priced at $1,099. This is a solid price range, especially as other flagships have exceeded the $1,000 mark. One more thing to note is that Google is implementing the Find My API for the first time, similar to the feature found in iPhones. This will help locate your device even if it gets stolen, as it works without an internet connection. Thanks for watching till the end, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more updates.